People in Baldwin County continue to give the relief efforts in the aftermath of Hurricane Ida, including a Robertsdale couple. They head back to Louisiana early tomorrow morning, taking disaster relief supplies to Ida victims. As WKRG News 5's Debbie Williams reports live in Baldwin County tonight, they are going back to places that they say they've been forgotten.
Snapshots from a disaster zone. Communities devastated by Hurricane Ida, places like Raceland, Valkyrie, and Thibodaux.
We try to be good people, and we try to help where we can.
Over the weekend, Miranda McGregor and Johnny Baldridge were at it again.
The more people I can help, the happier I'll be.
Filling their 19-foot trailer with food, water, tarps, tools, and toiletries for their second trip to the disaster area, to small towns they say are forgotten, but full of images they can't seem to shake.
Especially the elderly that have no generators. They're outside trying to clean their yards up by themselves. They're outside because it's too hot to stay inside.
More supplies are on the way.
It's awesome. You need more people like this.
To an area grateful for what they've already received.
It takes a village.
But still needing so much more. On the Baldwin County Beat in Robertsdale, Debbie Williams, WKRG News 5.